Hello friends, in this video uh, we will see Hero 2065 fountain pen. It comes with a beautiful carton box, and the Hero emblem is made on the top side of the box. Hope this is clear to you. And if we open the pen box, this is the pen. It is having a golden cap, and on the top of the pen there is a resin mark, and we can see the hero emblem on the clip and even the bottom part of the cap. The resin is inside the barrel, and above that this golden profile is coming, and this pen nib comes with 10 karat gold nib. This is 10 karat gold nib. This is a fine tip nib, and in the feeder L is written, and any 5.5 nib will suit to this pen. But anyhow, since this is gold nib, hope you can preserve. And at the bottom of the pen we can see a black portion, and when we remove this barrel, and we can see the converter. Hero emblem is there in the converter, and it is very smooth also, and it tells the quality of the converter. And while just turning the knob, you can feel the quality, because a tight shut off is there. A smooth gliding effect is also can be sensed. And with us, we don't have spare for this hero converter, but we have equivalent converters at cheaper price. As of now, the MRP of the pen is 7,500, and definitely you will be getting discounts when you purchase from our site. And you can see in the clip there is a small ring portion, and this design is really good, and the ring portion is rotating. We can rotate the ring portion. We can rotate the ring portion. So let us see the weight of this pen. It comes to 46 grams. It is slightly heavy, and you can fix the cap behind the pen, so you can get a good grip. This pen comes in two color variants. One is with this white resin inside the barrel, and another one is the black resin inside the barrel. So white and black both are there. Let us see how the pen writes. This is a gold nib. I am using pilot ink, because normal dye based inks may corrode the uh, golden surface. So I am using some expensive ink which is available in the market. Yes, pilot is a good ink. Just let me drain the excess ink which is stored in the feeder. The writing is really smooth, and this is written with Hero 2065 pen and with Pilot ink. The writing is really smooth, and you can see again I am writing one of the best so if I dip one time it writes at least three lines. Yeah, it writes very smoothly. So the spare nibs we have in some other brands only. In Hero as of now we do not have stock, but keep searching in our site, so definitely we will be stocking it soon. So this is the nib. I think you can see clearly. If you have any queries on this particular pen, you can ask us. You can leave in the comment section. We will try to answer at the earliest. Hope you like this pen, and if you want to buy, you can click the below link in the description, and it will take to our website. You can purchase this pen. And if you have any good experiences about this pen, good or bad, and you can share us in the comment section so that we can also know. And as of now we didn't receive any complaints, any sort of complaints with this pen. It is a really a good pen. Thank you viewers, thanks for watching this video.